Hello crypto people, Phil here from Pay-Per-Click Crypto, and today guys, we have a new ICO review about the Opera ICO, or we call it as the Pay Data Token ICO. The Opera ICO guys is based from Germany and it is an existing company since 2015. The technology behind Opera is so cool guys, so I highly recommend that you watch me till the end of this video. This ICO guys already raised more than 11.5 million US dollars, and right now guys they are offering a 14% bonus which will end in about 15 hours from now with the Ethereum price set to $700. Well, it's a good deal guys. And yes, Opera is an existing company guys. A lot of big companies trust their service, and even 500 Fortune companies are some of their clients, like some popular car brands like Audi, Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, BMW, Volkswagen, and General Motors. There's a video right here guys in their website. It's a video interview of Opera CEO Christian Lantz on Nasdaq guys. They are featured on Nasdaq. You can check this video by visiting their website opera.io. This ICO guys only accepts Ethereum as a way of payment for your contribution in this token sale, and you will need to pass the KYC verification check before you can contribute to this token sale. And residents from China, Afghanistan, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Guyana, Iraq, Laos, Syria, Libya, Uganda, Vanuatu, Yemen, Iran, South Korea, North Korea, Myanmar, and Ethiopia are restricted to participate in this token sale, and only verified investors from United States of America and Canada are allowed to participate in this token sale. So if you are a resident from one of these countries that I mentioned a while ago, please stay away of this ICO guys, because you cannot pass the KYC verification check. And you might not, you might lose your money because it's against their terms and condition that you should invest in this ICO. And for those people that is qualified in this ICO guys, make sure that you only invest the money that you can afford to lose. And remember guys, only invest your own money. The Opera platform guys and the Pay Data token is a decentralized marketplace for a transparent and secure buying of personal data. It enables customers earn money by selling their personal data directly to different companies guys. So inside the Opera platform, companies can buy personal data directly from customers to understand their needs and to design better products and services for their company. I really like the concept about the Opera guys because it has a very low competition in the market right now, and it is the first personal data marketplace that uses blockchain technology behind it. It has great partnerships. I mentioned it a while ago, 500 Fortune companies, and it gives chance to more than 1 billion people to earn extra money by selling their personal data. Well, it is better than nothing guys. And another good thing that I really like about the Opera concept guys is that there are many big companies right now. We are feeding them or giving them our personal data, and they are selling it to different companies without compensating us. And we will not know about this guys, so it's very unfair. So that is what that are some things that I like about the concept of Opera. For the token economics of Pay Data guys, the token ticker name is Pay Data. Pay Data token is a standard ERC20 utility token that runs under the Ethereum platform. There is a total supply of 750 million Pay Data token, wherein 60% of these tokens will go to this token sale, 13% will go to the development fund, 20% goes to the team or the company, wherein there is a vesting period of 24 months of these tokens that is allocated for the team. So this is to protect you guys, the ICO investors. 5% goes to the advisory board, and 2% will go to the bounty campaign. For the hype and marketing awareness of the Opera ICO guys, they have a very high hype based on my criteria, with more than 23,000 Telegram community members, 22,000 Facebook likes, and almost 6,000 Twitter followers. So that is huge social media presence guys. They already raised more than 11 million US dollars in this token sale, and that is already a big proof of their huge hype guys. That is a huge success in comparison with the hype. For the team and advisors behind the Opera ICO, guys, the CEO Christian Lange is in the business space for more than 13 years already, guys. The CTO Marlene is a software engineer for more than 10 years. She is one of the co-founder of Opera and working in Opera since 2015, so that is 3 years, guys. There are 11 people working on this project, which is very decent, guys. It's average, not so many and not so small, guys. For the advisory board of Opera, they have a great advisors from blockchain, business, finance, and legal sectors, which is good, guys. A total of 11 people are also working for the advisory board. So that is a quite decent team, guys. It's a good team. It's not bad at all. It's not very good also, but it's not bad. It's quite an average. Based on my criteria. That ends my review about the Opera ICO, guys. I hope you find this video helpful and you don't miss the like button below and you don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for taking your time watching this video, guys. See you in the next episode. Pay-per-click crypto. Cheers!